What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to schedule reports to auto send in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first step is to open the reports that you want to send. So go to reports in QuickBooks dashboard and run the desired reports and then customize it as needed. Step 2, of course, is to save the customized report. Now once you're done, click Save Customization to store your preferred format for future use. Step 3 is to access the Custom Reports tab. Now in the Report section, go to Custom Reports and then locate your saved report. Step 4 is to set up the schedule. Now you're going to click Edit next to the reports and then select the option to set up email schedule. Next, you're going to choose recipients and frequencies. So enter the email addresses and pick how often that you want the report sent. It could be daily, weekly, monthly, or without custom intervals. Step 6 is to save and activate. So once you're done, click Save and Close to activate automated sending. QuickBooks will now send your report on schedule without manual input. A pro tip is to make sure that your recipients' emails are correct to avoid delivery issues. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.